This parcel of rough opal has 9 pieces and a total of 75 carats. And it's got plenty of colour. This one you could slice down that line and make a nice crystal sitting there, and another smaller, thinner stone or longer stone on the other side. This piece has some red colour in it. It's pretty thin though, don't know how much you're going to cut out of it. You might need to Dremel it. It's just got a stone sitting there, pretty much just a cheapie. Some nice colour as well. It's got a little bit of potch in it in the face. I guess that gives it character. But nice colour. Broad flash pattern. Has a natural there. So your stone is pretty much there. This one's got colour bars going through it. Decent colour bar. It's got some black potch on the back, but I don't think the black potch will affect the colour. And a little bit of greeny blue. That's it.